To set Galaxy Buds Live to read notification aloud while you are using Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, while you are wearing your Galaxy Buds Live, go to the app screen, find the wearable app. To find the app quickly, tap the search bar at the top of the screen, type the app name, and then tap the app to open it. If this app doesn't display your Galaxy Buds Live, tap the three horizontal line icon, and then select your Galaxy Buds Live. Tap earbud setting, and then tap read notification aloud. Now, tap the gray on offset next to read aloud while using phone until the switch turns blue to turn it on. With this setting, your Galaxy Buds Live will keep reading notification you allow aloud even when you are using your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.